Hello everyone, how are you? I think you are doing well. If your Snapchat account has been hacked or compromised and if you want to get back it, then it is right video for you because I am going to show you today how can you recover your Snapchat account. So doing that you have to go first your any of your browser. I am simply opening my Google. From Google you have to search here SNF Snapchat support. You can see here Snapchat support, you have to search on it and then you can see here Snapchat support. You have to click on it, the first link, and after clicking you can see here several option. You have to scroll down and then you can see here option contact us. You have to click on contact us. After clicking contact us you will can see here option I think my account was compromised. As your account has been hacked, then you have to click here I think my account has been compromised. Then after clicking here you will can see here a page. You can see here you have to give here your username, your email address and mobile number and describe your problem. So I am giving here my username and email address. You can see for getting your username you have to go your Snapchat account or Snapchat app and then here we can see your username. You have to copy it from here and then you have to paste it here, and then after that you have to give here your email address and then you have to give here your phone number and describe a problem. What is your problem? So I simply write it from before. I am simply copying it from my notepad. You can see here I am on my notepad and I am simply copying it from here. You can pause the video and can copy it from here, or I put it my description. You will can copy it from my description. After that you have to simply paste it here. After paste it you have to click here submit and then you can see here we receive your ticket, and then you have to wait for some time and then you will can see here I got a message right now. After waiting some time I got a message. So after getting the message you have to open it and then you have to click it. You can see here Snapchat send you a message, then you have to click on it. Then you have to reset your password. You have to give here new password and then confirm password. So that's how you can recover your Snapchat account if you think your Snapchat account has been hacked or compromised. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.